Revolving credit is a type of credit that can be used again and again, such as a credit card. You have a limit on how much you can spend, but as long as you pay down your balance and stay in good standing with your lender, you can use your available credit on a continuous or revolving basis. A revolving credit line is different than installment credit, which requires you to pay back the balance in a specific amount of time. Instead, revolving credit lines let you reuse your balance over and over again as long as you continue to pay it down. When you make payments, you'll pay down your balance, and that credit will become available again. You're required to make a minimum payment each month, but you can also pay off your entire balance. Revolving credit is a great way to build or rebuild credit because it gives you access to a continual line of credit without ever having to reapply for a loan. Use revolving credit to your advantage by making payments on time, keeping credit utilization low, and building a track record of responsible credit use over time.